The biggest challenge we have to overcome in this lifetime is to see perfection in everything. Our subconscious program wires up to see bad in everything. So what is the key to liberate ourselves from the egoic consciousness that keeps us trapped in the world of madness and insanity? Kabbalah is an ancient wisdom that has been with us for millennia, but yet many of us have not accessed it because we had not risen up in consciousness to do so. But that has changed. Everyone can access Kabbalah. Kabbalah is a study that teaches us how to love unconditionally so that we can be similar in quality like nature itself and bring goodness in our lives. Kabbalah holds the key to give us that essential knowledge and tool that we need to make the inner transition into the power of love. When you sign up to this course, you will access materials and tools that will change your life forever. It has changed my life, and I'm sure it will change yours. So sign up today for this course and begin to make the transformation that you deserve to become one with God and to become love like you've never experienced it before.